Okay everybody, in this quick tutorial I'm going to actually show you how to actually plug into your GDI splash pages and how to correctly post them out onto Facebook and how we're going to syndicate with them posts. Okay, so what you'll be doing is you'll be logging into SoManyHits.com as I am here. Okay, and on the side on the left you will actually see where it says bonus income. Now you'll need to go over to bonus income, and if you haven't set up your GDI right now, what you'll notice is you'll have down here where it says global domains international. Okay, click here to join under your sponsor. If you are already in GDI, you will not need to do that. Okay, so if you're already in GDI and you've got an active account, you won't need to do that. Okay, and what you'll simply do is go to your GDI account, find your username. Okay, put your username in here and just simply save. Okay, and that's the first step. Okay, now after that you want to be able to go and have a look at the adverts that have been designed specifically for GDI in the system. Where you'll find that is under advertising. Okay, and you'll need to go down to where it says GDI splash new. Okay, and then here you will actually see 6 different capture pages. Now you can copy the link, you can preview the actual page itself. Okay, and if you hit the button here you'll see that it goes to the splash page that some of you may have already seen. Okay, and people look at this video here and they click to sign up for free. Now I'm just going to go back. Okay, because you can do this on all 6. That's my EO bot, which you don't really need to see. And then you've got, another 5. Now what we're going to do is that's going to be number 1, that's going to be number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, and number 6. So remember that for later. Okay, now what I would advise you to do is I am going to actually copy this link here. You might want to do this in a notepad, but I'm going to actually keep these in an email, and we'll do this with every single one. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to paste this link in here. Follow what I'm doing because this will make sense. Okay, I'm going to paste it here. Okay, and what I'm then going to do is I've got like a bit of some words on the top that I actually put, and I did an example with John earlier, so I'm just going to put, bear with me, hashtag inner diamond club. Okay, inner diamond club, and I'm going to put John Wonk because we did this with John Wonk. Okay, and at the moment let me just have a look. Oh, right, okay. Let me just get all of that there. Okay, and then what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy that. Okay, and I'm going to put this here. Paste. Now I'm actually going to do an email to myself with all 6 on, like that. So let me just put details 3 here, and I'm going to put GDI Facebook splash pages. Okay, and I'll build that up and do that for every single link. There's a link here. Okay, and that will be my first one. Okay, so let me just do this. I'm just going to do it like this. Okay, and I'll do the same with my next one, number 2. Number 2. Okay, and what I'll do is I'll copy that writing again, paste. But if you follow what I'm doing here, okay, under number 2 I'm going to get the link for number 2, copy link for number 2. I'm going to put it back here, put it underneath here. Okay, paste, and I'll get ready to do my number 3, but I don't need to do that now. I'm sure you guys have got the idea space, and I'm going to create 6 templates. Now cool thing about this is I now just copy that whole template. Okay, Now, unlike a lot of people, I've put all my Facebook groups in a document. I'm going to show you this little tip here. If you're running low on Facebook groups, let me know, because I can give you a share for this. And quite simply, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the link of that Facebook group, and then I am going to, if it comes up, okay, if you're stuck and you don't see this, hit the discussion box at the top. But then I'm just going to simply paste that in, okay, wait for the picture to come up, and then going to delete this link, okay, and we're then going to post, and then I'm just going to like that post. And what I will do is I will do that in just 20 groups, taking my time. So if it takes 1 minute to do each post, or do 10 and give it a break, yeah, I will just do 20, taking my time. It doesn't take any longer than half an hour to do 20 posts. And really, it's not a race. If you do this too quick, Facebook are going to think you're a bot, and they're going to stop you from using this feature, and they can stop you using this feature for a week. Okay, in the next video, I'm going to show you step 2 and how we will syndicate as a group. I will see you soon.